Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a background on the Snapseed app. So let's get started right away. Open up the Snapseed application on your device and tap on the plus icon to open up a new image. Now, once you have opened up the image within which you wish to add your background, tap on the Tools option. From this option, scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. And now you will see the plus image icon. Go ahead and tap on it and then choose your desired background. Once you choose your opacity settings for your background, tap on the tick mark and now your background has been changed within your image. You can proceed with exporting your image by tapping on the export button now. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your background on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.